This is Tim Willis, and I'm running with a copy of OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnel Hacker. I've been spending a lot of time on LinkedIn lately, and there's a lot of good information there. In fact, it's almost too much. You kind of have to filter through all that, but there's a lot of posts I've saved, and I have one I've saved that gives us some alternative to paid AI tools, which are free in this case. And so I'll be taking a look at some of them, and we'll be giving them a test drive. So one that we're going to use, which is the free, so to speak, alternative to Chat GPT. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI engine, but a lot of people use it all over the world. And we are at https://www.deepseek.com/en for English. And they give you two choices to start off with, to start now or get the DeepSeek app. We're going to just go ahead and start now. So to start out with, we're going to have to sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. And we sign up with an email address. We're going to need a password, and apparently they are going to send us a code as is usual with these things these days. Now, as opposed to a lot of programs, they're asking us to send the code before we sign up. So that's a little different. So I went to my email and got the code off camera. So we'll go ahead and click the button below. It says sign up. As usual with these things, we have a survey. So anyone know a little bit about us? So we need to put in a birth year, and birth month, confirm, and we're in. So here is our interface. Very looks ChatGPT-ish. No surprise, most of these AI chat programs look like a ChatGPT knockoff anyway. We got our profile, we can get the app, but not much else going there. Okay, and if we go to our settings, we have a general where we can choose the language, which is either English or Chinese, apparently. We can choose a theme between light or dark. Let's see what that looks like. I think I like the light better for now. I'll probably show it better up on camera too. You can go to your profile information, and you've got some settings you can do there. And you have an about, which says your terms of use and privacy policy. So let's just try something out here real quick. We are going to ask something simple here. Okay, so this is off the top of my head. I said, I am a music historian, and I am, and I am authoring a book about folk rock in the 1960s. I am writing a chapter about Bob Dylan. You need to know about his early life before coming to New York City. Let's see what we get. All right. So it does give us a very ChatGPT-ish kind of output, at least on our test prompt there. It looks like something you could use. In addition, DeepSeek doesn't seem to have any kind of pro level, at least at this point in time. On the whole, for this basic test, it seemed to work okay. And then I may take a look here and do a little more searching in a different video, dig a little deeper. But for right now, just the basic functionality, it seems to work just fine. So that's going to be the video now on signing up and using DeepSeek. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. and we're all just rearranging deck chairs on the RMS algorithm. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, webpage design, marketing research, and the tools we use, which in this case is DeepSeek, to do our work. That's the video for now. I will talk to you later.